I'm going to share how you can let AI take the reins in your daily routine, making your life easier and more organized. Trust me. Imagine having a personal assistant that's always on the job, 24/7, without ever asking for a raise or a day off. That's essentially what AI is becoming, our new director, responsible for managing our daily tasks and decisions. From calendar organization to meal planning, AI is slowly but surely taking over our everyday lives, and I think it's about time we got used to it. With the rise of artificial intelligence, we're seeing more and more people relying on AI-driven systems to get things done. But what's really interesting is how seamlessly AI is able to integrate into our daily routines, becoming an indispensable tool in our quest for efficiency. Of course, there are still those who are skeptical about AI's role in our lives, and rightfully so. But as we see AI being used in more and more areas, from healthcare to finance, it's hard to deny its potential to revolutionize the way we live our daily lives. Time management is a skill many of us struggle with. With so many tasks to juggle and priorities to balance, it's no wonder we often find ourselves feeling overwhelmed and stuck. But what if I told you there's a way to take the guesswork out of time management, and actually make it enjoyable? That's where AI comes in. By analyzing our habits and routines, AI can identify areas where we can improve, and even suggest the best course of action. We've all been there, stuck in a never-ending cycle of procrastination, unable to get anything done. But with AI taking the reins, we can finally break free from the shackles of inefficiency and get back to living our best lives. Think about it, AI can help us prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines, ensuring that we're always on top of things. It can even schedule breaks and downtime, so we don't burn out from exhaustion. And the best part? AI does all of this without ever getting tired or distracted, always working behind the scenes to keep our lives running smoothly. But even with all its benefits, many people are still hesitant to hand over the reins to AI. And I get it, it can be scary to give up control, especially when it comes to something as personal as our daily routines. However, the truth is, AI isn't about replacing us, it's about augmenting our abilities, and making our lives easier in the process. By taking over the more mundane tasks, AI gives us the freedom to focus on what really matters, our passions, our relationships, and our personal growth. So, how exactly does AI make our lives easier? Well, for one, it can help us plan our days more efficiently, by analyzing traffic patterns, weather forecasts, and even our personal preferences. This means we can finally say goodbye to those frustrating morning commutes, and hello to a more relaxed, more organized us. AI can also help us with meal planning, generating healthy and delicious recipes based on our dietary needs and preferences. And the best part? It can even order the ingredients for us, so we can skip the hassle of grocery shopping altogether. But that's not all. AI can also assist with personal finance management, helping us track our expenses, create budgets, and even invest our money wisely. It's like having a personal financial advisor at our fingertips, always looking out for our best interests. From scheduling doctor's appointments to booking flights, AI is rapidly becoming the ultimate personal assistant, capable of handling even the most complex tasks with ease. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a busy working mom who was struggling to balance her work and family life. With AI's help, she was able to streamline her daily routine, freeing up hours of time to focus on what really mattered, her family and her own personal growth. With AI managing her calendar, meal planning, and even her personal finance, Sarah was finally able to take a step back and enjoy the little things in life. And the best part? She didn't have to sacrifice her sanity or her relationships to do so. From intelligent scheduling to smart home management, AI is rapidly changing the way we live our daily lives. And the truth is, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. As we move forward into an AI-driven future, it's exciting to think about the possibilities, a world where our daily routines are optimized for efficiency and productivity, where we have more time to focus on what really matters. So, what do you think? Have you started using AI in your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on how AI is revolutionizing the workplace.